You ever had curly fries with cheese sauce and smoky bacon bits? I'm going to show you how to make it. Let's season our bacon with chili powder and black pepper. Stick them in the oven and watch it crisp up. Now crumble the bacon up. Now warm up the cheese sauce and you have a choice to spice it up. But don't forget jalapeno juice to add more flavor. Air fry your curly fries, which I'm using Arby's curly fries. I'll salt your curly fries and add cheese and bacon bits. Thanks, the recipe's in the description. Hope you all enjoy. Follow for more.